In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a demo request funnel inside GoHighLevel, the landing page, the form, and the automation that follows up with every single lead automatically the moment they submit. My name is Erin, and on this channel, we break down GoHighLevel in a way that actually makes sense. If you want to follow along inside GoHighLevel, the link in the description gets you an extended 30-day free trial, plus our full pre-built snapshot so you can skip a ton of setup. Let's get into it. A demo request funnel has one job. It gets people to say, yes, tell me more. Most agencies get clients the slow way. Someone finds you online, you go back and forth for days, it takes forever. A funnel fixes that. You share a link, they fill out a short form, they're in your pipeline, done. And the best part, once they hit submit, the system takes over. They hear from you right away, your team gets notified, no chasing, no manual work, it all runs on its own. All right, so once you're inside your GoHighLevel dashboard, we're gonna click on Sites, and then make sure you click on Funnels, and then I am going to click on New Funnel. So from here, you can either start from blank, you can build with AI, or you can use templates. I like the build with AI option, so I'm going to do that. So let's click on Continue. So before you hit generate, you need to fill in a few fields on the left side panel. So let's go ahead and do that. For the name of the funnel, I'm going to type in demo request. Then for the business niche, I am going to select marketing agency. For goal of this funnel page, I'm going to pick generate leads. Then for target audience, I'm going to go for local community. And then for offering, I'm going to put free consultation. And then for customize, I'm going to select English. And then for the tone, I'll just go for professional. Professional is the right call here because this is the page potential clients are going to see before they decide whether to book a call with you. It needs to feel credible, and friendly is too casual for someone who's about to hand over their contact information and get on a sales call. So once everything is filled in, let's click on generate. In a couple of minutes, it builds out a full landing page. You'll see a strong hero headline saying dominate your local market with a sub headline, a claim free consultation button, and a trust line that says no credit card required. That structure alone is what most high converting landing pages are built around: a clear headline, a single call to action, and a reason to trust you. Scrolling down, you'll see a services section with SEO, paid ads, and social media, then a proven results section with case study style layouts showing client names and ROI numbers, and at the bottom, the actual form: first name, last name, email address, website URL, and the submit button. That is a complete demo request funnel, and it only took a couple of minutes to generate. Now, what you want to do is go through and make it yours. Swap in your real business name, your actual client results, and your own copy. And if you're not sure what to write, you can use the AI assistant built right inside of the builder. You can highlight any section, ask it to rewrite it for your agency, and it'll update the copy for you on the spot. The structure is already done, you're just personalizing it. And if you want to change the design, the right side panel is where that lives. Under General, you can update the navigation items, your logo, and font sizes. Then under Styles, you can update colors, backgrounds, and spacing. You don't need to change any of this to go live, but it's there when you're ready to make it fully yours. Now let's look at this funnel because the form is actually the most important part of this whole page. So the free consultation you're offering is your lead magnet. It's the thing that gives someone a reason to fill out the form in the first place. And this form is how you capture that lead. So you want to make sure it's as easy as possible to fill out, because if there's too much friction, people will leave. Right now, the AI generated 4 fields. We have the first name, last name, email, and website URL. That's a solid start, but here's one thing that I would tweak. Instead of having a first name and a last name field, you want to combine it into one single full name field so they don't have to click onto first name and then click again to last name because it just adds friction. It really does sound small, but every extra field you add is another reason for someone to stop and not submit. The shorter and simpler the form, the higher your conversion rate. You just want to make sure you leave email address on there. But yeah, you want the path from landing on the page to hitting that submit button to feel completely effortless. And you want to keep the website URL field, it's worth it. When someone fills it in, you can look up their site before the call, show up ready, point out what they're missing, and that alone makes you look like an expert in the first 5 minutes. Also, there's a line under the claim free consultation and it says no credit card required, 100% free consultation. So you want to keep that forever, do not delete it. That line alone makes people feel safe, and safe people hit submit. Now we need to set up the automation that fires the moment someone submits that form. This is what makes the funnel actually work. Without this piece, someone submits and then just waits. With it, they hear from you in seconds. So we're going to go to automation and then we are going to land on workflows. We're going to click on the build using AI button and then we're going to put when a contact submits a demo request form, immediately send them a confirmation SMS saying thank you for your interest and we will be in touch within 1 business day. Then send a confirmation email with the subject line, we received your demo request. Then create an opportunity in the pipeline, then send an internal notification to the team that a new demo request came in. So I'm going to click on submit. All right, so while that loads, I want to show you guys something. I asked the AI to change the first and last name into one single full name field, and this is the result. It's exactly what I asked for, but yeah, really, really cool. All right, so now let's go back to what the AI created. So the trigger at the top fires when the demo request form is submitted, then it flows into 4 actions. First is sending confirmation SMS. This goes out immediately. The lead hears from you within seconds of submitting. That response speed tells them your agency is on top of things before they have ever spoken to anyone on your team. Second, we have confirmation email. This hits their inbox right after the text. Some people check text first, some check email, so just hitting both channels means nobody misses your response. Third is create opportunity. This automatically drops the lead into your pipeline the moment that they submit. No one has to manually add them. They just show up in your pipeline ready to be worked. Fourth is send internal notification. This pings your team the moment a new demo request comes in. Even on your busiest days, nobody misses a new lead because the system tells your team about it automatically. Now let's go back into the create opportunity action real quick because you'll notice that it has an error on it. Don't panic, that is completely normal. It just means the fields inside haven't been filled in yet, so let me show you exactly what you would put in here. So the first field is pipeline. This is where you select which pipeline you want the lead to land in. For a demo request funnel, you'd pick your agency sales pipeline or whatever pipeline you use to track new business. Next is in pipeline stage. This is the specific stage where the lead gets placed. For someone who just requested a demo, you'd put something in like new lead or demo requested, whatever represents the very start of your sales process. Then you have opportunity name. You can use a custom value here, like the contact's first and last name, so each opportunity is clearly labeled in your pipeline. Opportunity source is optional, but I'd fill it in. You can type in demo request funnel, so your team always knows exactly where that lead came from. And opportunity value, you can leave blank for now or add an estimated deal value if you have a set package price. So once those are filled in, the error clears and you're good. Hit save action, and then we can move on. Here's what you built: a landing page, a form, a 4-step automation. Someone fills out the form, they get a text and an email right away. Your team gets notified, the lead lands in your pipeline all on its own. Most agencies chase more leads, more posts, more ads, more outreach, but that's not the real problem. The real problem is slow follow-up. Someone reaches out, you don't respond fast enough, then they go to the next agency. This funnel fixes that. The response is instant every time, and it runs all day, all night. If someone submits at midnight, they hear from you in seconds. No one on your team has to be awake, it just works. And that's how you build a demo request funnel in GoHighLevel: landing page, form, and automation, all connected and running on autopilot. If you're not on GoHighLevel yet, the link in the description gets you an extended 30-day free trial plus our full pre-built snapshot with hundreds of templates and automations already built out, so you can skip a ton of setup. Drop a comment if this video helped. I read every single one. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Erin from GoHighLevel Mastery. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.